when to use at and when to use in. You ask and I answer. People get very confused about these two prepositions, but there are a couple of simple tips that you can use to help yourself remember how to use them. In, as a preposition of place, is usually used to talk about the position of someone or something inside large places, such as countries, continents, big cities, etc. She grew up in New Zealand. By the way, the office without an article means something quite different. We say that someone is in office when they work in an official position, usually for the state. Bill Clinton was in office from 1993 to 2001. At, as a preposition of place, is usually used to talk about the position of someone or something inside a small or unimportant places, such as villages or small towns, etc. I'll give you an example. I'll meet you at the pub. Also conveys the general idea of the location. I am at work. At is also commonly used with proper names such as buildings or organizations. I'll give you an example. I first met her at Harrods. She works at the bank. In and at are prepositions of time. Therefore, we can use them to talk about dates and time. We use in to talk about non-specific times, such as morning, evening, and afternoon. Now, when we talk about at, is the opposite case, because it is used in specific times like night, day, midnight, and even an hour. For example, I'll see you in the morning, or I'll see you in the evening, or I'll see you in the afternoon. At, as a preposition of time, is usually used with clock time. For example, my train leaves at 6:30 a.m.